This ain't Texas. Ain't no hope.
I love being your love.
Imagine me waking up in the morning to see this on my face. Oh goodness me. So each time when my period is around the corner, I'm definitely feeling or having such things. Okay, so this is gonna know why, it's gonna regret why it got to come up on this particular face, because this 2024 year ending, we have to glow, guys. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning on, you're welcome and thanks so much for joining. So here with me, I will show you one of the most fascinating skincare hacks that you might have never tried. Okay, so back home we use this as swallow. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can use that swallow, okay, that raw swallow, into a very beautiful skincare hack, into a very beautiful product that is going to turn your skin into a glowing and sensational skin. I don't want to talk too much about this. I want you to guess. Once your guess is right, then we're going straight into it. So please keep watching. One more thing, if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead, subscribe, like this video. We're still on our 25 days for video shooting for Christmas. So guys, you don't want to be left out. Okay, I'm gonna bring out all the teas and spill it. Okay, so you don't want to miss any day out. Okay, so please watching, subscribe, please keep watching, subscribe, like this video, and let's go. So fam, welcome back. So with me here, I do have my corn flour. Okay, corn flour, I mean grounded corn, not the processed one. This, I'm bringing you a whole lot of it because this is what I use to cook. I make swallow with this. So this is fufu corn. We call it fufu corn back in Cameroon. We call it fufu corn. So this is fufu corn. I don't you know. Okay, so I am gonna use my corn flour, aka fufu corn, to come up with this beautiful mask. So I'm gonna be using 1 tablespoon of corn flour, aka fufu corn. So I'll go ahead to unveil my fufu corn. Please, it's fufu corn. Oh, don't say that you don't have fufu corn. There is fufu everywhere. There's corn everywhere. So you will have it. So I'm gonna go ahead. This is my bowl, right? And this is my spoon. So I'll go ahead to take 1 teaspoon. I filled it so much, so it's equivalent to 1 tablespoon. So take a look. So I'm good with it. 1 tablespoon for you, baby. So that's it. So I'm doing it like that because I only want to use it on my face. Okay, if you want to use it all over your body, then you need to know how you're gonna make it, to like you're gonna determine the quantity. Okay, so next ingredient is gonna be yogurt. Please pay attention. This is yogurt. Okay, you can use Greek yogurt or you can use plain yogurt. If you do not have Greek yogurt, you might say it's very expensive, that you cannot afford it. Okay, use plain yogurt. Okay, I'm using plain yogurt. All right, so let's go ahead to unveil it. So this is a plain. Remember, it's yogurt and you can eat it. So this is yogurt. Imagine all these ingredients are edible ingredients that you have at your disposal, but you refuse to shine. You too. Okay, see? So I'm eyeballing it because with corn fufu or with corn flour, you cannot determine it, okay, until when I mix and I feel like the consistency is okay, then I'm gonna let it be that way. Okay, and so our last but not the least ingredient is gonna be honey. So this is my honey here. Very natural. You can use manuka honey. Manuka honey is good. I know, you know, we have organic products from Africa. Okay, Africa has very very organic products, unprocessed. So this is really equivalent to manuka honey. Sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead to put a tablespoon. Okay, I'm dropping it in this spoon right now. So sorry, half teaspoon. Pagalak. So this is it. Okay. So that's it. And so let's go ahead to mix. Okay. So you see, this is the quantity of honey that I've used. Because you know that corn flour or corn fufu is so unprocessed at this level. So it needs and requires enough moisturizing. So take a look, you see, it's not okay yet. That's why I told you that you can't easily determine the quantity of yogurt that you're going to add. But then, so we're going to add a little bit. So I'm still going ahead to add. So you see, let's stir a little bit again. So at this point, it's not yet okay. So I'm still going to add a little bit of yogurt. So I'm going to add, see? So now I'm beginning to feel what I'm doing. But yet it's not okay. So I will add a little bit of yogurt again. Please, I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Okay, so you see.
Mommy.
Then it's going to give you, just wait. So guys, this is the consistency that I want here, because I want it to act, to really exfoliate my skin and scrub my face. Okay, so this is it. All right, so please stay tuned. Guys, my mask is dry. My mask is dry, so so you can see how cracking it is, right? You can see how my face looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead to wash it. So please stay tuned, and you will see my face once I'm back. Because we must do the needful. We must shine before Christmas. Okay? You can see it's falling off, right? Okay. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm back and my face is actually dry. Usually you use this tissue paper to dry your face off, okay? So this is how my face looks like. You can see how clean and amazing it looks like and how different it looks like. If you're watching this video from the start, then you will understand where I'm coming from. So guys, I urge you to do the same, okay? So right now, because my face is really dry, take a look and this, okay? So I'm definitely gonna go ahead to moisturize my face. Please, when you finish, you make sure you moisturize your face, okay? So, and I'm gonna be using my face cream. Yeah. So, see? First, apply on this part. And here. Please make sure you moisturize your face. Make sure you use a face cream after, okay? This is gonna take you through all the period, this winter period, okay? The face cream is super moisturizing. And trust me, the weather is so dry out there and you just need something that's really gonna be okay for your face. Yeah, I feel like, so take a look. This is the outcome. This is it, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're going to try it back at home, and I hope this makes a difference to your face. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until then, see you tomorrow for my next shooting Christmas video. All right, guys, just tell me if you have any suggestion on what you want me to work on, or what kind of video you want me to shoot concerning skincare. Please just let me know. All right, guys, bye bye.